Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new topic, that is algebraic expressions and identities of chapter number 9, and the topic name is multiplying monomial. So now, before going into the detail, we will first know about the monomial. So what is monomial? Monomial is a one-term expression that is either a constant number or a variable, or the product of a constant and variable. तो मोनोमियल क्या होता है? या तो एक कांस्टेंट नंबर होगा, वो मोनोमियल कहलाएगा, या फिर एक वेरिएबल होगा, वो भी मोनोमियल कहलाएगा, और या फिर कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल दोनों का जब प्रोडक्ट होगा वो भी जो है वो मोनोमियल कहलाएगा. सो नाउ इफ वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस 5x square, 5x square is a monomial which includes 5 as a constant, x square as a variable part, and the product of this constant and variable, that is 5x square. This is also a monomial. And now if we take the example number 1, if 2x is multiplied by y, this will give 2xy. 5x is multiplied by 4y, this will give 20xy. 5 multiplied by 4, 20, and x multiplied by y, xy. So this will be 20xy. Similarly, 2xy when multiplied by 5y, this will give 10xy square. And 3x square multiplied by minus 11x to the power 5, this will give 11 multiplied by 3, 33, and plus multiplied by minus will give minus. So this is minus 33, and x square multiplied by x to the power 5 will give x to the power 2 plus 5, that is x to the power 7. Because we know that the identity, that is x ki power m multiplied by x ki power n, is equal to x ki power m plus n. So this is the identity. Now we will draw a important conclusion over here, that is given in the form of a note, that the product of two monomials is a monomial whose coefficient is the product of the two coefficients and whose variable part is the प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द वेरिएबल पार्ट्स. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि दो मोनोमियल्स का प्रोडक्ट जो होता है वो भी मोनोमियल होता है, जिसका कोफिशिएंट इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू कोफिशिएंट्स, हुज कोफिशिएंट, जिसका कोफिशिएंट जो है वो दोनों कोफिशिएंट के मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बराबर होता है, और जिसका वेरिएबल जो है वो भी दोनों वेरिएबल के प्रोडक्ट के पार्ट बराबर होता है. Now the next topic is, that is multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. अगर हम किसी मोनोमियल को पॉलिनोमियल से मल्टीप्लाई करें, then we use the distributive property of the multiplication over addition oblique subtraction. तो जब हम किसी मोनोमियल को पॉलिनोमियल से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हम किस प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करेंगे? Distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. And we know that what is the distributive properties? The distributive property can be given by a multiplied by within bracket b plus c. We will get a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. So this is the distributive property of multiplication over addition oblique subtraction. Now a multiplied by b plus c. So first we will take this a. This will be multiplied by first b. So we will write a multiplied by b within bracket plus, then we will take this a again, and this will be multiplied by c. So this will give a multiplied by c. So this is the multiplicative property of multiplication, distributive property of multiplication over addition oblique subtraction. Now the next property that we will have to discuss before solving the exercise number 9.2 is third number, that is multiplying a monomial and a trinomial. So for this we will also use this distributive property. So distributive property, now if we take the example 3x multiplied by 2x square minus 2x plus 1. So what we will do, सबसे पहले हम 3x को पकड़ेंगे, उसको पहले टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, that is 3x multiplied by 2x square. Then we will put a plus sign. Then again we will take this 3x which is multiplied by minus 2x. Then again we put the plus sign. Then 3x multiplied by 1. So as shown over here, I have shown with the arrow that 3x will be first multiplied by 2x square, 3x multiplied by minus 2x, then 3x multiplied by 1, and the result will be 6x cube minus 6x square plus 3x. Now the fourth property which we will use in solving the question of exercise 9.2 is multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. तो polynomial को अगर हम polynomial से ही multiply करेंगे, then what we will have? We will again use the distributive property. So now if we take the example, that is one polynomial is a plus b within bracket multiplied by c cross d, c plus d, c plus d. So now we will take this a plus b will first multiplied by c, then it will give a plus b within bracket multiplied by c, plus now we will take this a plus b and we will multiply this a plus b by d. So a plus b multiplied by d. So now if we further multiply it, this will give AC plus BC plus AD plus BD. So this will be the result. Now take the another example, that is case number 5, that is multiplying a binomial and a trinomial. अगर एक binomial हो और दूसरा trinomial हो और दोनों को अगर हम multiply करें, then how we will multiply? Again we will use the distributive property. So now if we take the example, that is a plus b within bracket multiplied by a plus b plus 1 in the second bracket, so how we will multiply? With the help of this distributive property. And as shown by the arrow, first we will take a, then a will be multiplied by the whole numbers which is given in bracket, that is a plus b plus 1. So now a multiplied by within bracket a plus b plus 1, plus we will put plus sign over here, and again we will take a plus b, now we will take b, and b will be multiplied by a plus b plus 1. So now what we will get? A multiplied by a will give a square, a multiplied by b will give ab, and plus sign, then a multiplied by 1 is a. Now we will take this b multiplied by a will give ab, and b multiplied by b will give b square, and b multiplied by 1 will give b. So now the result will be, on adding like terms को हम add कर देंगे, then we will get a square plus 2ab, ab and ab, these are the like terms, and this will be added, then ab when added with ab will give 2ab. So now a square plus 2ab plus a plus b plus b square. So this will be the result. So these are the total cases how we will multiply the monomial and the trinomial, the polynomial by a polynomial and binomial by a trinomial, and the two cases, the monomial by a polynomial and the other is multiplying monomials. So in this way we will multiply the monomials by polynomial, monomials by trinomial, and polynomial by a polynomial and binomial by a trinomial. And where we have seen that only the distributive property of multiplication over the addition and subtraction will be used. So these properties will be used in solving the exercise 9.2. So now, dear students, please note down these properties and prepare the notes as I have discussed in this video lecture, and this is my episode number 3 of chapter number 9. Before the preparation of this exercise 9.2, and these terms and definitions will be helpful in solving the exercise 9.2. So prepare the notes and send me in the group. Okay, thank you very much.